Introducing FORME, the modern day supplement shaker. We were tired of poor performing shakers that were smelly, leaky, bulky, noisy, ugly, and ends up in landfill after a few uses. FORME has been carefully designed to solve these problems and more. FORME has a 500ml capacity double wall insulated stainless steel body. The rounded inside edges make it easy to clean and prevent powder getting stuck in hard to reach places. Unlike plastic shakers, it regulates the temperature so the contents don't overheat, which leads to that awful smell occurring. The silent shaker mechanism works quickly and quietly, and the leak-proof lid prevents any embarrassing mishaps. It comes with a hidden 45-gram store container shaped to pour efficiently, and its non-slip silicone base provides a soft landing. FORME's powder coat finish is scratch-proof and durable and comes in a range of colours. All of this functionality is being packed into a sleek, smart design that looks at home in today's premium fitness landscape. Not so long ago, supplements were only consumed by bodybuilders and professional athletes, but today, millions of people take supplements to improve their fitness, health and well-being. FORME is a shaker built to meet the needs of this new audience through its functional design and smart, subtle style. Whatever supplements you take, whatever goals you have your sights on, our mission is to reward you with a shaker your efforts deserve. Back us today and help us bring this project to life.